Hello and welcome back to a new video from WEBA. Today we are going to talk about how to connect our smartwatch to our phone so we can receive notifications on the watch, obviously from our social media apps. So let's get into the video. Important warning at the beginning. There's a super mega hyper important steps you need to do before anything else. Connect your phone to your smartwatch. If you don't know how to do that, we are leaving you a link to the video where we show you how to connect your HK9 watch to your phone. So first of all, once it's already connected, what we are going to do is go to option message notification. In message notifications, you will see all the available apps and you can see them right here. First, we are going to activate calls alert. This is so that people can call us and we can get the alert on our smartwatch. We are going to tap here and we will always tap on agree. We will click on allow. After that, the call alert is basically ready. Now let's enable SMS notifications, okay? And we will tap on allow. We are going to go to the social media apps we use. Keep in mind that if you are using WhatsApp Plus or WhatsApp DB or any other version of WhatsApp that is not the official one, you won't be able to receive WhatsApp notifications. So now we are going to activate WhatsApp. We will open WhatsApp services and allow Fit Pro to access notifications. Always tap accept, and then we will be able to activate notifications for WhatsApp, Instagram, X or Twitter. There are some apps that might not work, but if they work for you, awesome. You can also enable all the ones down here. So for now, let's just test with Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp and Instagram. My mom is going to send me a message right now and I'm going to see the notification shows up here. So it shows up as mom hi. Yes, it's right here. Subscribe to the video. Perfect. Emojis won't show up, but everything that's text will always be visible. Now to check what messages my mom sent me, we will go to WhatsApp and I will be able to see it here as long as it is the last message. I won't be able to see anything else. I don't have the options to see any other message, just the most recent one that was sent. And well, that's the tutorial video. I hope you like it. I hope it helps you out. And if you like it, it helps or inform you, give me a like, comment and share this video. It would really help me reach more people. And nothing more to say. Take care and bye bye.